Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're having a good day. CPI days are always extremely hard to trade. The market really rallied hard this morning. Not quite sure what it's doing right now because I've been busy doing other things, but I wanted to take a few minutes just to tell you about a webinar that's coming up. And this is something I think if there's one thing that you do this year, that if you're struggling with trading or if you just want to have a much better work-life balance with trades that actually work with very, very, very little effort, this is a webinar that I think you really want to attend. And that's because we're talking about a system which pretty much nobody else is doing. Very, very few people in the industry know about this strategy, and even fewer know how to do it properly. And so I'll leave a link in the description below. It'll take you to the webinar sign up page that you can see right here. And you can see I've titled it How Average Traders Have Won 95 Trades in a Row Using Lance's Consistent Passive Profit System. And so this is 100% true. We're going to show you the proof of this in the webinar. It's something that if you are looking to trade for, say, 1 minute a week, 2 minutes a week, 3 minutes a week, even 10 seconds a week, you can do these trades and they can return up to 40% plus on your account in a year, which is fantastic. So this is the returns that you could see if you were a decent day trader, half a decent day trader, but you're only spending seconds or minutes every week placing these trades, setting them, and then just forgetting about them. And this is not just, your average sell a spread, swing trade, buy options and hold them. It's nothing like that. And the reason it's so good is that the win rate, mathematically, is around 99%, which is absolutely fantastic. So you don't have to worry about these trades. I do these trades myself. When I place them, I don't even consider them as potential losing trades. They win that much, the win rate is that high. When I place them, I collect the money, and I know that that's money in the bank. In fact, it's so consistent, I often just take out the money and put it back into my bank account before the trade's even complete, because this system is just so solid. So we're going to go through the exact step-by-step system that the subscribers to this service get. Now this service is no longer available to the public. It was part of thetatraders.com, but we've closed off because this system alone is better than the rest of the services combined. So we want to make this individual thing and really optimize it, make it the best it can possibly be for people. So like I said, these trades just take a few minutes a week. We sometimes do them on Fridays, sometimes on Sundays, even when the market's closed. And you can use very little capital. You can use as little as $2,000. In fact, one trade takes about $400 in cash, but you want to also leave $400 in buying power, say, or $500 in buying power for safety, basically. And so Lance is an expert in this. He's been doing them for years. He hasn't lost a single trade since 2022, since he started documenting his trades. He hasn't lost a single one. There's been 95 in that time frame. We have dozens of testimonials on this page. When you come and look at it, it's in the description below. You'll see some of the testimonials. Here's one from Husker Josh. Around 6 months ago, I started my options trading journey with futures. Starting out with a small $5,000 account, I've achieved around 15% account growth. So this was just a few months into the year. And he's on track for 30% this year. What makes this even more exciting is the fact that a significant part of this growth has been achieved passively, allowing me to enjoy the rewards of my investments without constant monitoring. And this is key. People are busy, I'm busy, lots of people have jobs. This system allows you to place trades when the market's closed and just sit there and let them work. So for you guys that are familiar with option selling, you're probably starting to see the way this is going. But there are some really interesting twists and basically extra parts to this that really take the system from your average sell-side system to a whole new level. And so he's saying, ultimately, with Lance's help, I've created a trading plan that not only will create immediate income now, but also help me build wealth for the future. Dave Mack says, damn, that's a no-brainer, like free money. That's what it feels like to me. It's like free money. And so I want you guys to attend this webinar because it feels like free money. I've been doing it for months and months now, consistently winning, haven't lost a trade. I don't even consider these trades as losing trades because the probabilities are mathematically so high. And even if I did have a losing trade, which hasn't happened and hasn't happened in the track record of the service yet, it's like not significant. It doesn't wipe out all your gains like a lot of people think or anything like that. So here's another testimonial. Yimmy2328, and this is all very recent. It says, Lance mentioned future trades last year to me, but I put it aside since I didn't understand. That's so true. That's what I did. I feel like that's this in itself is big part of how to make money trading, in my opinion. He took the time, patience, and help to answer all my questions to help me learn more about it. With the knowledge I've received, I can make 2 to 3% with low-risk trades. They're a great way to grow small accounts safely when following Theta Trader strategy. Again, we're removing this strategy from Theta Traders. People that are already in the service still get it, but new people joining up do not get this particular strategy because it is just so powerful, and we want to make sure it's a standalone, just a standalone thing by itself. Okay, final testimonial here, and we have lots more of these, but I just wanted to put 3 or 4 of them on the the registration page. I've been trading futures using your alerts. I do not take all the trades, but I usually have 3 on at a time. They get to 50%, I take profit. I have 0 losing trades since 2022, and it's already more than halfway through 2023. So you can see this is a really powerful system. Now there's more to it than you might think. But Lance is such a patient, consistent teacher that he really wants everybody to succeed, and he helps everybody one-on-one essentially. So this is where the real value will come from. This training is learning exactly how this is done, how to place trades that win 99% of the time, the exact step-by-step system, and how you can do it in just minutes a week. And this is not marketing nonsense. This is legitimate, true, 100% accurate information. So I hope you guys are excited for it. I know I am. We'll be doing it probably in the next 1 to 2 weeks, but I encourage you to sign up right now. Put in your email. We'll probably be sending out some more information as time goes on over the next week, maybe some bonus information. So there's definitely a good reason to put your email in now. Sign up, reserve your seat, and I'll see you at the webinar. Okay guys, talk to you soon.